Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front door panel on a 2018 Honda Accord. Start out by taking a plastic trim pry tool. You can get sets of these off of Amazon for pretty cheap. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these. And you're going to want to take the end of it and you want to pry between the window control unit and the armrest portion of the door. Slide it between the two and then pry up on the window control unit, starting from the back here, and then just work your way towards the front and it pops out. And then unplug the wiring plug by just pushing on this tab and pulling out. And behind there is a Phillips screw that needs to come out. Next, take your small plastic pry tool again, and you're going to pry out on the top of the door panel between the speaker and the door panel. And you just want to pull back and create a gap on the top edge up here, enough to get your fingers in. And then once you get your fingers in there, just pull directly back on the top portion of the door panel. And just work your way down the sides, pulling out. When you get to the bottom side of the door panel here, you're going to want to remove this light by turning it counterclockwise and pulling out. And then you also want to remove this clip that holds the wiring harness on. Just use a flathead or a clip tool and just pry out on it. And these clips here, those are what holds the door panel to the door, and those are reusable as long as they don't break. 99% of the time they don't break, but if they do, you can also get those off Amazon, and I'll link to that in the description below. But that's it guys, door panel's off. Thanks for watching.